Elements of crimes provided for in Statute of International Criminal Court, Article 9 and Article 10. Article 9. Elements of crimes. 1. Elements of crimes shall assist the court in the interpretation and application of Articles 6, 7, 8 and 8 bis. They shall be adopted by a 2/3 majority of the members of the Assembly of States Parties. 2. Amendments to the elements of crimes may be proposed by a. Any state party. b. The judges acting by an absolute majority. c. The prosecutor. Such amendments shall be adopted by a 2/3 majority of the members of the Assembly of States Parties. 3. The elements of crimes and amendments thereto shall be consistent with this statute. Article 10. Nothing in this part shall be interpreted as limiting or prejudicing in any way existing or developing rules of international law for purposes other than this statute.